Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Facebook app or browser is updated. This prevents hiccups. Once done, sign in and go directly to Settings, then Security and Login. You need your primary phone at hand and a backup device or Authenticator app installed. Now tap Two-Factor Authentication and choose your preferred method. You're taking control of access rather than relying on passwords alone. This first action locks the process into place and prepares you to add methods securely. Next, choose SMS, an authentication app, or a physical security key depending on your threat tolerance. If you pick an authenticator, open the app, scan the QR code or type the manual code, then enter the generated 6-digit code into Facebook to verify. If you use SMS, Facebook sends a text. Enter that code. Make sure to save the recovery codes Facebook provides and add a backup phone number so you won't lose access if one method fails. Finish by reviewing trusted devices and removing any you no longer use. This prevents stale access. Ensure your recovery codes are stored securely, offline, or in a password manager, because they are the ultimate fallback. Enable trusted contacts only if you understand the process. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use a saved recovery code or a trusted contact to regain access. If SMS fails, switch to your Authenticator app. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most lockout scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.